Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to log into Okta Mobile. Alright, so first up, we would need the app that is called the Okta Verify. Right here. This one. So to be able to download this one, just go ahead over to your Play Store or App Store. Okay, so you can see here I'm using Android, so I'm going to go ahead and open up Play Store. Now in here, let's just go ahead and find in the search bar, Okta Verify. Okay, hit on enter. Now in here, just go ahead and download Okta Verify, this one. Okay, once the installation is done, just go ahead and tap on open. Now it will just require you to enter your Okta password, and then it will ask you to set up your Okta Verify. Just follow the simple prompts, and then once you're in here, you'll be given this specific screen where you'll be able to find your code when you try to log in. Okay, but first up, you would need to enter your phone's password so that you'll be able to find the code. Now in here, as you can see, we have this little text that says launch dashboard. Okay, I don't know if you can see it because my camera is not focusing. In here, just tap on this one that says launch dashboard. Now it will open up your browser. Okay, in here it will just automatically open up your Okta account. And sometimes it will ask you to relog in. Just go ahead and log in and just hit on next. And after that, you'll be logged into your Okta account. That is it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.